Hi everyone, we created a new feature that is a global bar at the top, and you can open it by typing / directly with the keyboard, and you can search whatever you want in BTCPay Server. So for example, here I would want to set up my Bitcoin wallet. If I type Bitcoin, you will see I have set up wallet directly, and I can just go there instead of clicking like a peasant. And you can use this global bar to navigate easily. So for example, I can say / deposit, get a deposit address, it will go directly there. If I do, for example, transaction, I can see the transaction like this directly. You can use tabs to navigate between those. Then if you want the settings, you can see it, same thing, go to store settings. You can basically use the keyboard to very easily move through BTCPay Server. So for example, if you want to change your password, you can go there. So everything you want. So it's kind of very quick because the search is done on the browser side. And but it's not limited to this. It can also search information on the server itself. So let's take an example. I will create a new invoice here. I will put some amount on this invoice, and this bar is actually can search through the invoice. So for example, imagine that this invoice has this Bitcoin URL. You go on there, the customer call you, say, okay, I sent to this address, do you see it? You can do / copy the address, and you can see that it find it directly here. You can directly see what's going on with this invoice. Of course, you can as well copy the ID if you want. It works exactly the same. You can copy the transaction ID. You will see exactly the same behavior. So I think that's pretty neat, and lots of people will end up using because lots of features are actually kind of hidden through multiple layers of settings, and this makes the discovery way more easy. So for example, if you want to set up your email settings, same thing, you can say email setting. Do you want to view the store rules or configure the settings? And you can directly go there easily. Second change with this PR is that we remove server and account settings from the left bar here, and instead we added it back up here. So you can see the notification are here. You can see the list of plugins. You can see the server settings here, and you can see your profile. We thought that this part on the left bar was a bit too much crowded, so I think it's a welcome addition to the UX of BTCPay Server. But of course, once you get used to this global search bar, I doubt that you will have to click like a peasant through the interface to go where you want to go.